Prachi, and today I will be sharing with you a very easy, a very quick DIY on how to get softer, silkier, shinier hair instantly. Like I mean instantly. After one use, you'll start seeing a difference. So the video starts at this. Actually, let me make this easier. Okay, the video starts at this point. You can just jump to. I don't know how I'll make this. You can just jump straight to this point if you want to watch the video. But before that, I want to share something very interesting with you all. Where is it gone? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so I just want to share something very interesting with you all before you jump to the video at that point. I'm not holding up the pillow again. Actually, I did that because, you know, while editing, it's just a lot easier to edit in a white background. That's why I was holding up the pillow. I don't know why I got that idea. Okay, so let me show you something very interesting like I was saying. You see this, guys? See what my hair is looking like right now? You see? Okay, so first of all, I know that this is not anybody's dream hair. People dream of much better hair. It's not that great. But just to remind you guys, I have been coloring my hair like with very strong colors, and a lot of bleaching and all has happened with my hair in the last 6 to 8 months, right? So considering what I've done with my hair, I would like to say that it's pretty well behaved. So number one, I'll be honest, I think it's partly because of the products I'm using. I'm using a new shampoo, conditioner, a hair oil like this. These are all new discoveries, and I was very fortunate to come across some of the really good products. So not to make this video too long, I'll put all the details in the description box of the products I'm currently using. Let me know if you want a separate hair care routine video. I can do a separate video on that. And number two, guys, my DIYs work. Okay, because if my DIYs didn't work, I wouldn't be having this hair. It's very difficult to have this kind of hair, guys, after all that I've done with my hair, like seriously. Okay, so let's get started with today's video and let's see what this DIY is all about, which I absolutely love and which my hair absolutely loves. I'm just praising my own self, guys. After you try this DIY out, please share your own feedbacks in the comment section so that people know that my DIY will actually work for them as well. So yes, let's get started with today's DIY and let's see what it's all about. For this, guys, we'll just need 3 ingredients. The first is shikakai powder. I'm using organic shikakai powder from Khadi Natural. And you will also need some aloe vera gel. So you can actually scoop out the natural aloe vera gel from the leaves. That's actually much better. Now guys, just letting you know, I have Khadi products with me right now because I was trying them out and I recently did a haul video on Khadi. That's why I'm using them. Plus I actually like these products. This is not a promotion. You can use any brand, anything that you feel like using. Just want to clarify. And also, yes, I'm using eggs. So I know vegetarians don't want to use eggs. What you can do is you can actually use curd, like I always say. Instead of egg, if you want, you can also use curd. Even that's a really good ingredient for your hair, but eggs just work a lot better. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you how I make this thing. Okay, I have short hair right now, so I'm preparing for my short hair. If you have longer hair and if you're preparing this with me right now, just take at least double, if not more, of the amount of the ingredients that I am taking. So first I'm using shikakai powder. Shikakai powder is really good because it takes care of, first of all, it just cleans your hair and the scalp really well. It deals with itchy scalp, and most importantly, it deep conditions your scalp and your hairs. Then we have an egg which is packed with proteins, which is really good for your hair and also makes it soft and really deep conditions. Curd is also otherwise really good. And then of course we'll just add a little bit of aloe vera gel. Personally, I love aloe vera gel for the hair because, you know, like even if you just use aloe vera gel as raw before shampoo, it makes your hair really good. And now we're just gonna apply this all over the hair, all over the scalp. You can use a brush, but I'm using my fingers because it's faster and I'm feeling really lazy today. And once you're done applying it, just leave it on for about 15 minutes and shampoo it off. Shampoo will be required, so apply a little bit of shampoo and shampoo it off. And this is how my hair is looking after applying the hair mask. I applied it in the morning. This is evening. So guys, that was my quick DIY for the day. You can use it for like 2 to 3 times a week. It's completely natural, so you can use it for multiple times a week genuinely. And yes, like I said before, after you try it out, just come back, share your comments in the comment section below. And also before you come back, since you're still watching this video, it means you kind of like it, right? So why not just, like, you know, hit the like button and give this video a thumbs up. So subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye. Bye.